Elevate your earnings. How to create an online business that thrives. Ever wondered how you could turn your passion into profits, raking in up to $16,000 a month? Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we unravel the secrets of online success. Today, we're delving into the world of content-based businesses, revealing how you can earn up to $16,000 a month through an online side hustle. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Let's delve deeper into the potential success stories of content-based businesses like Pulling Curls, where revenue can range from $2 to $5 million. It may sound improbable, but it's all about leveraging the power of a content-based business. These businesses thrive on various platforms, from blogs and YouTube channels to TikTok videos and podcasts, attracting audiences with valuable content. Monetization is the key to turning your passion into profits. We'll explore 4 effective strategies: advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and product sales. Take notes as we break down each method and understand how successful businesses implement them to achieve financial success. Take, for example, the websites mentioned earlier. Their revenue streams include ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. The core of their income, however, comes from offering courses such as online prenatal classes, family routines courses, and home organization courses. It's all about creating valuable content that resonates with your audience. Let's delve deeper into the success stories of content-based businesses like Pulling Curls. With approximately 90,000 monthly visitors, the blog generates revenue ranging from $2 to $5 million. A significant portion comes from affiliate marketing, as seen in blog posts discussing Disneyland vacation packages. These businesses also create and market their own products, like online courses, contributing to their substantial monthly earnings. Take inspiration from Hillary Erickson, the brains behind Pulling Curls. Her marketing approach involves producing valuable content that showcases her expertise. Using opt-ins, she builds an email list, leveraging platforms like her blog, podcast, and TikTok to attract and engage her audience. Ready to embark on your content-based business journey? Start by selecting a niche you're passionate about, a topic you could discuss for 30 to 60 minutes without losing interest. Select the content creation platforms that aligns with your skills, whether it's vlogging, podcasting, or social media. While the prospect of earning significant profits is exciting, building a content-based business isn't easy. It takes time and efforts, with challenges along the way. The key is to remain consistent, patient, and committed. Success often requires enduring and thriving for years before seeing substantial returns. Now that you've delved into the intricacies of niche selection and honed in on the importance of audience-focused content, it's time to guide you through the next crucial steps in building your lucrative online venture. Do your niche research. With your list of potential niches in hand, it's paramount to dive into niche research. This involves scrutinizing the size of your potential audience and evaluating the competition landscape. As Seth Godin aptly puts it, this is about finding your minimum viable audience, or MVA. It's the balance between a niche not so small that no one's searching for it and not so vast that it loses personal connection. Utilize Google to explore underserved topics within your niche. Employ the Google Auto-Suggest feature by typing relevant keywords and pay attention to the suggested queries. These suggestions unveil the common queries and interests of your potential audience, and you want to ensure your niche has underserved areas, the gold mines awaiting to be discovered. Choose a profitable niche. Armed with your research findings, it's decision time. The ongoing debate on whether to follow your passion or target a more profitable niche is ever present. Steve Jobs emphasizes the significance of passion, and that's something to consider. Your niche should ideally be something you're interested in and enjoy. Building a website involves creating volumes of content, and it's challenging to maintain momentum if you're not genuinely invested. However, It's crucial to acknowledge that some niche site owners succeed without a deep passion for the subject matter. If you can consistently produce content regardless of the topic, or you're willing to outsource content creation, opting for a more profitable niche might be the pragmatic choice. Narrow your niche further. This is optional. With your niche chosen, consider the option to narrow it down further. This involves targeting a specific category or subtopic within your broader niche. While optional, this strategy enhances your site's authority and positions you as an expert in a specific domain. Plan your content with keyword research. Before diving into website building, plan your content with meticulous keyword research. Identify the keywords your potential audience is searching for and incorporate them into your content strategy. This proactive approach ensures your first articles align with search queries, making it easier to attract organic traffic once your site is live. Build your website. Now comes the practical aspect, building your website. Start by choosing a domain name that reflects your niche and resonates with your target audience. WordPress stands out as a versatile and user-friendly platform, making it a preferred choice for many niche site owners. Consider hosting solutions like Wealthy Affiliate for an integrated and streamlined experience. Once your website is up and running, it's time to make it visually appealing. Choose a responsive theme, add a logo, and tailor it to match your brand identity. Creating a cohesive and visually pleasing website is crucial for retaining visitors. Create great content. With your website set up, shift your focus to the heart of your venture, content creation. In the current digital landscape, quality triumphs over quantity. Each piece of content should be meticulously crafted to offer value, engagement, and relevance. Remember Steve Jobs' emphasis on passion and aim to produce content that you'd be proud to see ranking at the top of search results. Leverage the 80-20 principle, focusing on achieving 80 to 90% of your ideal content quality. Consistency is key, so don't let the pursuit of perfection hinder your progress. Optimize your content for search engines, or SEO. Lastly, embrace search engine optimization as your ally in the journey to online visibility. On-page SEO involves fine-tuning your website's content, structure, and elements to align with search engine algorithms. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, revolves around building relationships and promoting your content to gain authority. Remember, Google's goal is to provide the best content to its users. By optimizing your content for search engines, you're not just playing the game, you're becoming an invaluable source for your audience. Congratulations! You've navigated the crucial steps in setting up a profitable niche website. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into content strategies and tips for sustained success. If you found this information helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more insights, and drop a comment sharing your thoughts. Until next time, happy niche building and Profitability Plus! Thank you for joining Profitability Plus today. If you found this information valuable, let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring exciting avenues for financial success. Have a great day and see you soon!